Hello everyone, I hope you are fine at your places. So today I have brought a video from rational numbers part 3. So let's start with our work. So in this part we have to understand how to add rational numbers. So there are two ways to add rational numbers. If the denominator are same or if the denominator are different. So let's start with the part A, that if the denominator are same. So in this part, the both denominators are same. So we have taken the LCM of both denominators, that is 3, and we have to add the upper two terms. 1 plus 4, that is 5 over 3. So it's our answer. So in this case, this question we have written firstly the both terms as it is, and after that we have to take the LCM of both denominators, that is 5. Okay, so what does it comes? 2 plus minus 3, 2 plus bracket minus 3. So after that what we have to do, that 2 gets 1 plus minus over 3 and 5, the denominator remains same, and after that 2 minus 3 over minus 1, the sign is of the biggest term, that is negative, over denominator 5. So it's the answer of this question. So in this case what we have to do, we have to take the LCM of both denominators, that is 5, but here is the negative sign that goes to the numerator. So it's that minus 4 plus 7. Okay, next what we have to do, minus 4 plus 7 is equals to 3 over 5. So our answer is 3 or 5. So I hope you understand this term. Okay. So in second case what we have to do, that how to add rational numbers having different denominators. So let's get started. In this equation we have to firstly take the LCM of both terms so that the denominator comes same. Firstly we have to rewrite it, minus 5 over 16 plus 9 over 24. So firstly we have to take LCM of both terms. So we have to take the LCM of both terms. 2 8s are 16 and 2 12s are 24. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, and 3 is not divisible at table 2. So we should take 3 for divisibility of 3. So it comes 1 over 1. We have to multiply all the terms. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 3s are 48. So it's our LCM. So we have taken the LCM, that is 48. So firstly we will divide 16 by 48, that is 3, and we should multiply it by minus 5, that is minus 15. And same method we have to use here. 24 divided by 48 is 2, and 9 multiplied by 2 is equals to 18. So this is the next term, and after that what we have to do, we have to take the denominator same, and minus 15 plus 18 is equals to, that is, so we get 3 over 48. So we should do it cutting. So 3 1s are 3, but here is a negative sign. We should take it negative, minus 5, minus 1 over. Sorry guys, here the biggest term was having the positive sign. So we should not have the negative sign. So we should not take negative sign. So after that 3 cuts it on 1 and 3 cuts it on 3 1s are 3 and 3 6 are 8. It's equals to 1 over 16 is our answer. So I hope you have understand this sum. Okay. So next question is this, how to solve it. Firstly we have to take denominator 1 here, if it's not present, plus 5 over 100. So next we have to take LCM of both terms. So what is the LCM of 101? We know it's absolutely 100. So we have taken the LCM of 101, that is 100. So we have taken the LCM, that is 100. So we should divide it by 1, that is 100. 100 multiplied by minus 2 equals to minus 200. and plus 100 divided by 100 is 1. 1 multiplied by 5 is equals to 5. So what will be the answer? Let's start. 200 minus plus minus. So what should we do? 200 minus 5, that is 195. But the biggest term has the sign of negative. So we should place it as negative and over 100. So it's our answer. But if you want to do cutting, so let's do. 5 minus 39 is 195 and 5 20s are. So it's our answer, minus 39 over 20. So I hope you understand this sum. Okay. So now in this question we have to find the following sums. If the terms are more than 2, how to solve them? Firstly, we have to take the LCM of the denominator, that is 9, because the all terms are same, and we have to write the numerator in the way they are given. 12 plus minus 3 plus minus 5. So it gets converted that 12 minus 3 minus 5 over 9. It's equals to 12 minus 3 is equals to 9 minus 5 over 9. It's equals to 4 over 9. Okay, so hope you have understand this question. So let's start with the next question. So in this case the denominators are different, are in negative term. So what should we do? We should write firstly like this: 5 over 12 plus minus 3 over 16 plus minus 7 over 8. So in next term we have to find the LCM of these all terms, these three terms, that are 12, 16 and 8. So let's find. 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16 and 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8 and 2 2 are 4. 2 it's not divisible, so that it remains same, and 2 2 are 2 1s are 2, it remains same, and 2 1s are 2, 2 1, it's 1, so 3 1s are 3, so it gets that like that. LCM is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, it's equals to 48. So its LCM is 48. So in next term what we have to do, we have to divide 48 by 12, that gives us 3, and 3 5 that gives us 4, and 4 5s are 20. So next we have to divide 48 by 16, that gives us 3, and 3 3s are 9, and in negative form it is, so we should write it in negative form. And 8 divided by 48, it is equals to 48 divided by 8, that is equals to 6, and 6 7s are 42 in the negative term, so we should write it in the negative term. Next equation, what should we do? So in next term what should we do? We should minus 20 minus 9, that is 11, and 11 minus 42, what it gives us? 11 minus 42 or 48, it is equals to, so it gives the answer minus 31 or 48. So I hope you understand this question. So in this question we have to express rational number. We have to express rational number as a sum of integer and rational number. Okay, so let's start it. So if we are having minus 7 over 3, firstly we have to convert it in the mixed fraction, that is minus 2 1 over 3, and minus 2 plus 1 over 3 is our answer. How should they have said the sum of integer and a rational number? This is rational number and this is a integer. So next question, let's begin. It's next question that if these both are negative, they cut themselves in each other, and it comes here like that in positive, and if we convert into mixed fraction it gives that, and 5 plus 1 over 10, it is integer, and this is a rational numbers. So here is the ending of this question. So friends, here is the ending of today's video. In next video it will be a short video of 5 minutes. So guys, it is the ending of today's video. Next video will be of short of 3-4 minutes, in which I will explain you one story sum of how in the rational number. So please like and subscribe my video to get views of these topics of maths, English and science, so that you can be revised with your syllabus of your classes and another another practice in your daily days. So thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.